Is your Samsung Galaxy Watch frozen on the Samsung logo? This video will guide you through fixing this common problem. Here's what the stuck screen looks like. The watch powers on, but remains frozen at the Samsung logo. The issue typically arises from software glitches during updates. Low battery levels can also cause this problem, or corrupted system files from various sources. While frustrating, it's often recoverable and not a permanent hardware failure. This video applies to various models, including Galaxy Watch 6, Watch 5, Watch 4, and Active 2. Before diving into more complex solutions, ensure your watch has sufficient battery, ideally above 20 to 30%. This prevents interruptions during troubleshooting. Next, connect the watch to a stable power source. This ensures the device has consistent power during the process and can help if the issue was caused by low power. Now, perform a force restart by pressing and holding the power button for 10 to 15 seconds. This clears temporary software hiccups and often allows the watch to boot normally past the logo screen. If this force restart works, your watch should boot normally. If the issue persists, proceed to the next troubleshooting steps. If a simple restart doesn't resolve the stuck logo issue, the next step is to enter recovery mode. This special boot option allows access to system repair tools. First, power off the watch completely to ensure a clean start. Then, press and hold both the power button and the home or back button simultaneously. The exact combination may vary slightly by model, but this is the general method. Continue holding until the recovery mode screen appears on the watch display. Once in recovery mode, use the power button to navigate through the menu options for further repairs. Within the recovery mode menu, look for an option like Wipe Cache Partition. Use the power button to select this option. This will clear temporary files that may be causing the boot issue without deleting your personal data. After the process completes, select Reboot System Now. This is a less drastic measure than a factory reset and often resolves the problem. If clearing the cache doesn't work, a factory reset is the next step. Important, this will erase all data on your watch, so only proceed if you've exhausted other options or have a recent backup. In recovery mode, select Factory Data Reset. Confirm your choice. After the reset, reboot the system. You'll need to set up your watch again from scratch. If your watch can connect to your phone or computer even intermittently, try using Samsung's Smart Switch software. This tool can sometimes detect and repair software issues or allow you to back up your data before a factory reset. Connect your watch to your device via Bluetooth or USB if supported, and follow the Smart Switch prompts. To prevent the logo freeze from recurring, always keep your Galaxy Watch software up to date. Samsung regularly releases firmware updates that fix bugs and improve stability. Check for updates through the Galaxy Wearable app on your phone. Never interrupt software updates once they begin. Interrupting the process can corrupt system files, leading to boot loops or the logo freeze. Ensure your watch has sufficient battery life and a stable connection during updates. Only install applications from trusted sources, such as the official Galaxy Store. Third-party apps from unknown sources can cause conflicts with the watch's operating system, potentially leading to freezes or other issues. Maintain a healthy battery level on your Galaxy Watch. Avoid letting the battery drain completely or overcharging it. Experts recommend keeping the battery between 20% and 80% for optimal performance and longevity. Protect your Galaxy Watch from extreme temperatures. High heat or cold can damage the battery and electronics, increasing the risk of boot issues. Store and use the watch in normal room temperatures. Regularly back up your Galaxy Watch data using Samsung Cloud or Smart Switch. This ensures you don't lose important information if you need to perform a factory reset. Backups also make recovery much easier if issues occur. If none of these steps resolve the issue, it's possible there's a hardware problem. Contact Samsung support or a qualified repair technician. Many users, around 60% according to a 2026 PCMag survey, attempt DIY fixes, but professional help might be necessary to avoid further damage. Check your warranty status, as hardware defects might be covered. Remember, early action is key, and user education around safe charging practices is important. This concludes the troubleshooting guide for the Galaxy Watch logo issue.